Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English podcast.
We are happy you are here.
Today, we will learn English together.
Our topic is going to school.
This lesson is for beginners.
We will speak slowly.
We will use easy English.
Listen and repeat if you can.
Let's begin. Hi, Ethan.
Hi, Lily.
How are you today?
I am great. How are you?
I am very well.
That is nice.
Do you like school?
Yes, I do.
Me too.
School is a good place.
We can learn many things.
We can make friends.
We can read books.
We can ask questions.
Every day is different.
Every day is a new chance.
Today, we will talk about school.
We hope you enjoy it.
Let's start our day.
Let's go.
Good morning, Ethan.
Good morning, Lily.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
That is a good time.
What about you?
I wake up at 6:30.
You wake up early.
Yes, I do.
What do you do first?
I brush my teeth.
Good.
Then I wash my face.
Nice.
Then I eat breakfast.
What do you eat?
I eat eggs.
Sounds good.
I drink milk.
I drink orange juice.
Then what?
I get dressed.
Me too.
I put my books in my backpack.
I do the same.
My backpack is blue.
Mine is black.
Do you carry many books?
Yes, sometimes.
My backpack is heavy.
Mine is too.
How do you go to school?
I ride the bus.
I walk to school.
Is your school close?
Yes, it is.
My school is far.
The bus helps.
Yes, it does.
Do you like the bus?
Yes.
Why?
I see my friends.
That is fun.
We talk together.
We laugh together.
Then we arrive.
School starts at 8.
We are on time.
That is important.
We walk to class.
The teacher smiles.
We say hello.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, class.
We sit down.
We open our books.
The lesson begins.
My favorite subject is English.
Mine is math.
Why do you like math?
It is interesting.
I like reading.
Reading is fun.
Do you write every day?
Yes.
I write in my notebook.
I use a pencil.
Sometimes I use a pen.
Good.
Do you like science?
Yes.
Do you like art?
Yes.
Do you like music?
Very much.
I like music too.
We sing songs.
We draw pictures.
We learn new words.
We ask questions.
The teacher helps us.
Teachers work hard.
Yes, they do.
We should listen.
We should be kind.
We should help friends.
That is important.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I do.
What are their names?
Ben and Alex.
Nice names.
What about you?
Anna and Grace.
Wonderful.
We study together.
We play together.
We eat lunch together.
Lunch is my favorite time.
What do you eat?
Rice and chicken.
I eat a sandwich.
Do you drink water?
Yes.
Water is good.
After lunch, we talk.
Then class starts again.
We learn more.
Time goes fast.
Soon, school is over.
We go home.
Do you play games?
Sometimes.
Do you do homework?
Yes, every day.
Homework helps us learn.
I agree.
Then I eat dinner.
Then I sleep.
Let's learn some words.
Great idea.
School.
School.
Teacher.
Teacher.
Student.
Student.
Classroom.
Classroom.
Backpack.
Backpack.
Pencil.
Pencil.
Notebook.
Notebook.
Homework.
Homework.
Library.
Library.
Lunch.
Lunch.
Friend.
Friend.
Bus.
Bus.
Book.
Book.
Desk.
Desk.
Now repeat after me. I go to school.
I go to school.
I like English.
I like English.
My teacher is kind.
My teacher is kind.
I have many friends.
I have many friends.
I do my homework.
I do my homework.
Excellent.
Great job.
Now it is your turn.
Answer this question.
What time do you wake up?
Say your answer.
Great.
Here is another question.
How do you go to school?
Do you walk?
Do you ride a bike?
Do you ride a bus? Wonderful. One more question.
What is your favorite subject? English?
Math?
Science?
Art?
Music?
Tell us your answer.
Very good.
Keep speaking English.
Ethan, do you read books?
Yes, every day.
I like storybooks.
I like picture books.
Reading is fun.
Reading helps us learn.
Do you use a computer?
Sometimes.
Do you use a tablet?
Sometimes.
Technology is useful.
Yes, it is.
Do you ask questions?
Yes.
Good students ask questions.
Good students listen.
Good students practice.
Practice is important.
English is easy.
English is fun.
Speak every day.
Read every day.
Listen every day.
Learn every day.
Never give up.
Keep smiling.
Keep learning.
Keep speaking.
You can do it.
We believe in you.
Small steps every day.
Big progress later.
Learning takes time.
That is okay.
Enjoy the journey.
Have fun.
Let's practice one last time. Repeat after us. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am fine.
I am going to school.
I am going to school.
I like my teacher.
I like my teacher.
I like my friends.
I like my friends.
I enjoy learning English.
I enjoy learning English.
Excellent work.
Very nice.
Thank you for listening.
We had a great time.
We hope you learned new words.
Practice every day.
Speak English